Two young people have tragically lost their lives in two separate collisions in County Down. Police reported that they received a call about a collision involving a car and a pedestrian on the West Circular Road in Bangor at approximately 10:55 PM BST on Tuesday night. A 16-year-old girl, Jaidyn Rice, from Bangor, died at the scene after being struck by the car. Authorities have also confirmed that a young boy died following a collision between a red Skoda Fabia car and a scooter in the Strand area of Port. In connection with the Bangor incident, police stated, "Officers are continuing to investigate the circumstances of the collision and would like to hear from witnesses or anyone who may have captured dashcam or other footage that could assist with our inquiries." Louise Spence, the manager of North Down Community Network, described Ms. Rice as a remarkable young woman. She said, "Jaidyn was one of our inspirational young leaders. Full of hope, potential, wisdom, and joy, a beautiful young person inside and out." Spence expressed her heartbreak over the loss, stating that Jaidyn was a treasured part of the community network and someone they could always count on. She added, "We are heartbroken at this very sad loss and are holding her brother Kenley and all of Jaidyn's family and friends in our thoughts during this difficult time. We are so grateful to have known her. She made a difference and she will not be forgotten." Local DUP MLA Stephen Dunn expressed his deep shock and sadness upon hearing the news. He said, "This is a devastating loss for our local community, particularly painful given Jaidyn's young age. My thoughts and prayers are with her heartbroken family, friends, and all those who knew and loved her during this incredibly difficult time." Independent North Down MP Alex Easton remarked that the heartbreaking incident has left the entire community in mourning and extended his support to Ms. Rice's family and friends. He added, "No words can ease the pain of such a devastating loss. But I want them to know that they are not alone in their grief. The whole community stands with them in love and support." Regarding the Portaferry collision, the young boy who was riding the scooter involved in the accident was taken to the hospital. However, he succumbed to his injuries. A 51-year-old man has been arrested on suspicion of several related offenses and remains in police custody. The Strand area is currently closed to traffic. Police are appealing for witnesses to come forward with any information.